Add it all up: superior performance, tech, utility, and savings. The case for electric pickups is stronger than ever. What's coming after 2025? The future is even brighter. Solid-state batteries could mean 500+ miles of range or lighter, more efficient trucks. Autonomous driving will keep advancing, making work and road trips easier. Charging will get faster and more seamless. Think wireless pads or robotic arms. Off-road tech will evolve, with AI and software unlocking new capabilities. Sustainability will go beyond zero emissions, with recycled materials and better battery recycling. The electric truck revolution is just beginning. Expect smarter, more capable, and more sustainable trucks in the years ahead. The electric pickup is no longer a niche. It's the future of trucks. 2025's lineup proves you don't have to choose between power and sustainability. These trucks offer raw capability, advanced tech, and a cleaner drive. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more on the future of electric vehicles. The world of electric vehicles is evolving, and in 2025, luxury electric sedans are setting new standards for performance, comfort, and innovation. These vehicles aren't just about eco-friendliness, they combine the elegance and sophistication we expect from top-tier luxury brands. In this video, we'll explore the most anticipated luxury electric sedans that are redefining the road in 2025. Let's dive into the ultimate showdown. Tesla's flagship sedan, the Model S Plaid, remains one of the most impressive vehicles on the market with 1,020 horsepower. With a 396-mile range and record-breaking 0-60 acceleration in just 1.99 seconds, it features premium materials and a large touchscreen display. The Tesla Model S Plaid offers a perfect blend of extreme performance and cutting-edge technology,